in this workshop, I learned to dabble with Tinkercad. I think I did a bit. I did a bit well in designing things. I learned
technically
GitHub.
designed our box.
Yeah, I learned to install the GitHub and to work around it on my desktop. I learned a whole lot. Soldering, yes, I did a lot of soldering.
Yeah, documentation, right? So yeah, but I mean that's been really, it's really true. Like, it's really required, and the stress on it, I think, has been a bit more beneficial in the sense that now triggers, all right, you need to document this, otherwise it's just going to fly away and everything's on the off. So yeah, I think that's been really useful. But definitely going back, we're going to be able to source a few more components, increase the capabilities of the box. The whole idea is something modular, something scalable, and something that everybody can build, and you have so many functions within just one small box. To a large extent, people think you need to buy every equipment. Virtually every equipment that is built has the whole patent thing, and you really can't modify. And so to a large extent, we have those equipments and they spoil and we're done with it. But if you can promote the use of open hardware, then we know, yes, you can always build something that everything is plain in front of everyone and anybody can modify it. And I mean, it was so beautiful when, I think it was Ben who was talking about examples of things that somebody technically outside in the cloud decides to give you the full design. And it solves the whole problem. So you're thinking with a large community of people, and that way, we can do a lot more.
You need to open up. You need to be on GitHub. Let people know what you're doing. It's a ready community of solution. People with solution. People with the experience. Don't give up.